Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can install HTML templates in cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, installing these templates is pretty much as easy as uploading HTML files using your file manager, and I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do this through this guide that I have up on my screen here. Now, what you need to do is you need to access your cPanel, of course. Just type in either your domain name or your domain address and your domain IP address in your URL bar, and then after that type in either if you're using the domain name, use /cPanel or :2083, and if you're using your IP address, you can just type in :2083, and that'll take you to the login screen. Just enter your credentials and log in. Then you need to open the file manager, which is well, pretty much on your dashboard in cPanel, and once you're there, you just need to navigate to the public HTML folder, or www, depending on what your web root directory for your website is. And then of course you do need to download a template before this, but once you have your template downloaded, you just need to upload your HTML template and just select it from your computer. Click the upload button in the file manager and choose all of the files you want to, well, upload. You can, of course, extract zip files if needed. If it is in a zip file, you will need to extract it. So you can use 7-zip or WinRAR, whichever fits you best. Then you can organize the files. If it includes CSS, JavaScript, or image folders, place them in the web root directory correctly. And then you can just open up a browser, visit your URL to confirm the correct installation, and that is basically it. If you have an FTP account set up through cPanel, you can also use FTP to, upload everything, but that is pretty much it. The file manager version of this process is much simpler in my opinion and much more easy to do. So yeah, that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.